In today's tutorial, we'll be continuing with the menu example to add the menu items and to enable functionality for the menu list view. We'll be creating the add product item, menu item, update product, menu item, and product search. So if you click on the add product, it can display a text or another option or screen for the user. And if you click on update product, it can display text or option for the user, or you could do some synchronization to your database or backend server. And the same goes with product search. Within your menu list view struct, enter the following after line 10. At binding var is menu open bool. At binding var selected menu item string. And the purpose of these two variables is menu open and selected menu item is that these two variables will be exchanged, like passed from the content view to the menu list view and vice versa, to enable the data to be synchronized between two views, like shared between two views. After line 15, enter the following: geometry reader, geometry in. The purpose of the geometry reader is to help the parent view to be resizable dynamically and more precisely within the UI. The next thing we need to do is to create a VStack spacing 20. Button action and then within the button action type the following: self dot selected menu item equals add product with animation self dot is menu open is equal to false, and then on lines 25 add this bracket, press the return key, then type in text, add product dot font dot title dot forecolor dot white dot frame width geometry dot size dot width minus 40 dot height 60. What that does, it sets the button's width and height. Dot background dot blue. That sets the bottom background color to blue. Dot corner radius 30. Dot shadow color dot gray opacity dot 0.5 radius 5 x 0 and y 5. And what that line does, it adds a shadow effect to the button. So that's our first menu item or menu item button that we created. Now we'll create the next menu item button, and this one is called Update Product. After line 33, enter the following: bottom, open bracket action, self dot selected menu item equals update product with animation self is menu open equals false, and then on line 40 add the following bracket. Do that again, add the following bracket, and then now we need to add a text. So this is the caption for the menu item. Update product dot font dot title dot foreground color dot white dot frame width geometry dot size dot width minus 40 height 60. And then the background color will be green dot green dot corner radius 30 dot shadow color dot gray dot opacity 0.5 radius 5 x 0 y 5. On lines 52, we can delete the text that says hello world. And we can also delete the preview, if we're not using the preview. So the next button we need to do is the product search. It's similar to the other buttons. The only difference is just that it has a different name. So instead of having update product, this will be product search, and that will be product search as well. So to do that, we can just copy and paste the one that we just created. So just copy and paste this one. And then paste it anywhere after line 48. And just to make sure. You paste it anywhere after line 48. Now I just compile it just to make sure everything is okay. We need to delete the bracket at the end, this one here, on line 73. Just compile it now. And then when it's compiled, we will then change the actual text. We need to do something in the content view, I think. Yeah, we need to do this in the content view. So let's just comment out the lines 28 to 30 in the comment view. I mean in the content view. Now let's try to recompile. It compiles. Now we can go back to the menu list view, and then we can continue to edit the titles, the captions for the menu item. So this one should be not update product because we have update product here ready on line 36. So on line 51, this should be product search. And on line 56, that should be product search. And the color on line 60, that should be orange. And everything stays the same. The next thing we need to do on line 64 is to add some padding to the entire VStack. So just type in dot padding. And then we need to set the background color of the VStack to white. Dot background. Dot white. Dot corner radius. .30. And the purpose of line 69 is to apply a corner radius to the entire V-stack, giving it rounded corners so it just looks a little bit nicer. And then the next thing we need to do is to apply a shadow effect to the V-stack. Dot shadow color gray dot opacity 0.5 radius 10 x 0 and y 10. Now let's compile it. And now we go back to the content view. And then within the content view, we need to enter the parameters to the menu list view. So on line 28, uncomment it, and then within the menu list view, add the following arguments by clicking on fix, and then apply the binding variables, which is $ is menu open, and then $ selected menu item. As you can see, these variables is menu open and selected menu item. These are the same, not the same variables, but they're the actual binding variables that links up to the other variables within the menu list view, which is here. So this is the binding example of the menu open variable and selected menu item variable. So bypassing the at state variables that is menu open and selected menu item, bypassing it to the menu list view, it creates a bindable reference within the other view, within the other SwiftUI view. So now I just run it just to make sure that it's working or not. It's just compiling at the moment. It's still compiling. Still compiling. The computer is a little bit slow. Still compiling. It's taking a long time. I might need to restart Xcode. And now I think it's loading to the simulator. it seems like there's something wrong with Xcode, so it's working now. That took a long time. So now I'll select from the menu, clicking on add product, it shows selected menu item is add product. Clicking on update product, it shows selected menu item is update product. And then click on product search, which should say product search, but it's spelled incorrectly. So let's fix that. It's missing the C. So just go back to the menu list, view. And then just look for product search. Here it is on line 56. Now I will rerun it. Product search, yeah, that's correct. Product search. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.